Okay, given another set of data, we have 54, 61, 58, 68, 66, 51, and 66. Step 1, put them in order from least to greatest. Mark them out as you go. "61, 66, 66, and 68. Okay, so now we're going to find the smallest number, find the largest number, put them on the number line. Smallest number is 51, so that is directly between 50 and 52. Largest number is 68, which has its own specific spot on the number line. And we're going to put a dot right there. The paper keeps moving. Okay, so we have 68 and 61. Then I want the number in the middle. So my exact middle number for this data set is 61. So I'm going to put a dot on 61, which falls directly between 60 and 62. That is my quartile 2. I'm going to go ahead and put a line down like this because I'm going to use it to create a box in a minute. Then I'm going to look at all of the numbers to the left of my median, and I'm going to use those to find my quartile 1, which is the middle number of the data set to the left of the median. So I have 51, 54, and 58. So my quartile 1 is 54. Put a dot on 54, draw a line so I know it's quartile 1. You can label them too if you want. Whatever makes your life happy. Okay, then I'm going to find my quartile 3, which is out of the numbers to the right of the quartile 2. I'm going to look at all of these numbers on the right hand side. I want the number in the middle, which is 66. So that is my quartile 3. I draw a line, label it quartile 3, makes my life happy. I have all 5 parts. And then I'm going to put a box around the numbers in the middle. And then we have 2 numbers this way, 3 numbers this way. So because there's more of a gap here than there is here, this is what we call left skewed. So this data is slightly skewed to the left. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the range. So the range is the distance from the lowest number all the way to the highest number. And in order to determine what your range is, all you have to do is take the high number, 68, subtract the low number of 51, and then that gives you 17. So the range is 17. That means that there are 17 numbers on my number line between the lowest number and the highest number. So now I'm going to determine what is my inner quartile range. So the word inner quartile means that it is talking about the range of the quartiles on the inside. So this 50% of the data right here, it wants the range of this 50%. So in order to find the inner quartile range, it is the difference between quartile 3 and quartile 1. So inner quartile range is Q3 minus Q1, or quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So quartile 3 is 66, quartile 1 is 54. We're going to subtract those two numbers and we get 12. So the inner quartile range is 12.